Find the relationship in the first pair of figures and apply it to choose the missing figure in the second pair. The answer is C. Choose the correct answer. The answer is B. Choose the word that is like the others in the same way. The answer is A. Look at the folded paper and holes, and pick the figure showing it unfolded. The answer is B. Which number comes next in the series? The answer is C. Pick the word that best completes the sentence. The answer is D. Which figure comes next in the series? The answer is B. Choose the correct answer. The answer is C. Identify the relationship in the first pair of words, then apply it to find the missing word in the second pair. The answer is C. Figure out the relationship between the numbers in each pair, then use it to find the missing number. The answer is B. Thank you for watching.